Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw income from Kajabi payouts to your bank, detailed guide step by step clearly. To withdraw income from Kajabi payouts to your bank, first, log in to your Kajabi account. Navigate to the dashboard. On the left-hand side, locate and click on Revenue. In the Revenue section, find the Payouts tab. Click on the Payouts tab to view your available earnings. Review your total earnings and available balances. To initiate a withdrawal, look for the Withdraw button. Click on the Withdraw button to proceed. You will be prompted to select a withdrawal method. Choose your preferred method, such as direct bank transfer or PayPal. If selecting a bank transfer, ensure that your bank account information is entered correctly. Input the amount you wish to withdraw from your payouts. Confirm that all details are accurate before submitting your request. Click on the Submit button to complete your withdrawal request. You may receive a confirmation message once your request has been processed. Check your email for notifications regarding the withdrawal status. It may take several business days for the funds to appear in your bank account. If you encounter any issues, visit the Kajabi Help Center for support. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.